Countdown to the ultimate canoe trip. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into the top 15 essentials you need to remember for your first canoe trip. Starting at number 15, always check the weather forecast before heading out. Avoid trips in severe weather conditions and be prepared for any changes. Number 14, have navigation tools ready. Carry a map, compass, or GPS device to help you navigate the waterway. Knowing your route and potential hazards is crucial. Lucky number 13. Make sure you have a first aid kit on hand. Include items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications for minor injuries. Number 12. Plan your transportation method. Ensure you have the necessary equipment, such as roof racks or a trailer, to transport your canoe to and from the water. Sliding into number 11. Wear river shoes or water sandals for better traction and protection. These will be useful for navigating rocky or slippery surfaces. At number 10, pack a dry bag for your valuables. In case of flipping, this will keep your items safe and dry. Number 9, always paddle straight down the river. Hitting a rock sideways is a common cause of accidents in lower flowing waters. Number 8, bring enough water for everyone. Staying hydrated is essential, especially during physical activity. Lucky number 7, make sure your car is set up at the pickup zone with keys. Never forget to leave your keys with the car at the drop-off or pickup zone to avoid losing them in the river. Number 6, plan a way back to your original vehicle at the drop-off point. Leave keys with that car as well to ensure you have access. Halfway through at number 5, know your boat's hull identification number, HIN. If you don't have one, visit your state's website to find out how to obtain it. It's free and involves filling out paperwork and sending it to the required department. You will receive your HIN number in about 2 weeks, allowing you to register your vessel if you want to add a trolling motor. At number 4, always bring extra paddles. Bring at least 1 extra paddle if you're alone and 2 extra paddles if you have a friend. This is crucial in case of a breakage or loss. Moving to the top 3, always prioritize safety. Inform someone of your trip details, including your route and expected return time. Number 2, life jackets are an absolute must. Ensure you have enough life jackets for everyone on board. Life jackets are required by law and are essential for safety. And finally, the number 1 essential for your canoe trip: knee pads. Knee pads provide extra comfort and support, particularly for longer trips. They help reduce strain and improve stability. An awesome knee pad can truly change the day for your river-run canoe trip. So, there you have it, folks. The top 15 essentials for your first canoe trip. Remember these tips, stay safe, and have an incredible adventure on the water. Please like and subscribe. Thanks as always, Austin Rapp.